Hey guys, this is Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and today guys, we are going to be setting up this amazing little 1080p camera enabled solar powered bird feeder. Now this was sent out to me for review. I did an unboxing video on it just a little while ago, but today we're going to actually get out in my backyard. We're going to set this thing up. I'm going to show you guys where I'm setting it up, and hopefully after I add some feed to this, we'll get a few of our feathered friends to come in and hang out on this perch, eat some bird seed, and I can probably I think this is going to be a lot of fun. All right, so the next part of the video, guys, we're going to go outdoors. I'm going to show you all of the different components that come with it, as well as what you're going to need, and I'll show you how I'm setting this up in my yard. Now, of course, this does have a lot of flexibility when it comes to setting up this bird feeder. It comes with some straps, so if you want to attach this to a tree, you can, or you can just connect this back component here to a wall or a pole with the included screws. The 1080p camera does need to be set up before putting it into the enclosure. It's just going to make it much more, easier for you to get everything set up. The solar panel also plugs into the camera. So once you have everything set up and turned on and connected to your camera, you're pretty much good to go. You can just plug this in outside. Basically mount this someplace outside. And this will pretty much run year round, guys. So definitely, if you are looking for a way to, keep an eye on those amazing, beautiful flying creatures in your area, this could be exactly what you're looking for. All right, guys, let's get outside and put this thing to work. Let's go outside and attach this to a pole. Let's go. All right, guys, I'm out here in the backyard. As you guys can see here, I got a couple of tools here. I have my drill. I did bring out some of these straps just so you guys can see the straps that come with it if you wanted to mount this onto a tree or pole. But it also comes with these screws and also the mounts. These are all we're going to need to get this set up. Now, I'm going to be just setting it up out here in my backyard on one of the poles of my fence, so let's get to it. All right, as you guys can see, I have it completely filled up with the bird seed. Get a little bit more of that. All right, guys, there it is. Our bird feeder is mounted outdoors. My little friend here is going to be happy that his friends are not going to be taking all of his food, and I'll be able to keep an eye on the backyard, him and all the birds. Yeah. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech. Hopefully this video has been helpful and entertaining. If so, I did my job. I'll catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.